Assalamualaikum. I am making twisted macaronis today. I need macaronis, carrots, bell pepper, tomatoes, chopped garlic, and chopped onion. I have added chopped onion in the pot, and I'm adding tomatoes and chopped garlic. I'm going to fry it for a minute, and after that you will see the sun is coming. I will add chicken boneless, and then I will fry it. Once it's half done, I'll add salt, and after adding salt we will mix it and cook it, and then we will add black pepper. After adding black pepper we will cook it and mix it good. Add synthetic vinegar, then we'll add chili sauce, and I don't have soy sauce right now, but you can add that too, and give it a good mix. Then you have to add the vegetables after that. Now time to add vegetables. Bell pepper and carrot is mixing in the pot, and let it be cooked for 1 minute. Then we'll add twisted macaronis and mix it.